Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, the ultimate destination for everything automotive. Today, we're diving deep into one of America's most iconic trucks, the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT 4x4. This isn't just any pickup, it's a combination of muscle, modern tech, and legendary off-road performance. So buckle up, because this beast deserves your full attention. The 2026 Ford F-150 XLT 4x4 comes roaring into the market with a bold statement. From the moment you set eyes on it, the rugged yet refined exterior grabs you. The redesigned front grille with chrome accents, powerful LED headlights, and aggressive stance gives this truck a commanding road presence. Whether you're hitting the trails or pulling up to a job site, the F-150 XLT looks the part. Under the hood, Ford offers impressive engine options, but the 3.5L EcoBoost V6 steals the spotlight. Delivering a balanced blend of power and efficiency, this engine pushes out serious torque, perfect for towing, hauling, or just flexing on the highway. Mated with a 10-speed automatic transmission in the 4x4 drivetrain, it offers a smooth yet punchy ride regardless of terrain. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 XLT 4x4 is where rugged meets luxury. The new layout includes durable materials mixed with soft touch surfaces, a fully digital gauge cluster, and the upgraded Sync 5 infotainment system with a massive touchscreen. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, it's all there. Ford didn't just make this truck tough, they made it smart too. Space is generous with seating for 5, fold-flat rear seats, and extra compartments throughout. Whether you're hauling gear or groceries, the F-150's interior is as practical as it is comfortable. The added insulation makes for a quieter ride, which you'll appreciate on those long highway drives. When it comes to performance, the F-150 XLT 4x4 doesn't back down. The four-wheel drive system is intuitive and delivers excellent grip whether you're cruising through rain, snow, mud, or sand. Drive modes like normal, eco, sport, tow, haul, and off-road allow the truck to adapt to whatever challenge you throw at it. Combine that with the high-strength steel frame and improved suspension, and this truck is as capable as they come. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 XLT comes equipped with Ford Company Pilot 360, offering features like lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, and a 360-degree camera. It's not just about getting there, it's about getting there safely. Fuel economy is surprisingly good for a full-size truck, especially with the hybrid variant available. You get the power you need without sacrificing too much at the pump, a win-win for anyone who works hard and plays harder. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a dedicated tradesman, or just someone who loves big trucks with bigger personality, the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT 4x4 hits all the right notes. It's durable, dependable, and built for whatever life throws at it. Thanks for watching Car Trend. If you enjoyed this review and want more deep dives into the hottest trucks and muscle cars, make sure to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. We've got a lot more content coming your way. Until next time, drive safe and keep the passion alive.